if you think that being detached from such actions will result the fruits not to come outside, then this is not. Fruits are sure to come. There will be result. For example, if someone is lighting a deepak, if someone is lighting a deepak without any attachment with the fruits, that is the light to come, he is not mattering, he is not getting disturbed that it will provide light or not. But and in that state, he starts to lighten a deepak. The deepak burns. Even if we want or not, the deepak is sure to provide the light. And if there is wind, the deepak is sure to get disturbed. It will stop providing the light. It will stop showing the luminous activities. So, you like or you dislike, it doesn't matter. The fruits are sure to happen. The conditions, the natural system will happen. So the persons, Bhashikar now says that to clarify these things, what will happen to those who are on the path of salvation, Bhagavan is saying the 12th mantra. Let's see what Bhagavan is saying in the 12th mantra. Anishtam ishtam mishram cha trividham karmana phalam bhavakyatyayinam pretya nato sannyasinam kvachit. Anishtam Narakadi phalam, anishtam, the fruits which are not agreeable, disagreeable fruits. The fruits which you disagree to accept, they are the narakas. They are the sorrowful moments. They are the pains which are going to come in your body. Ishtam swargadi, which you agree to accept. Heaven, the pleasuring moments in your life, nice persons, the persons when you will meet, you will feel pleased. So this is the liking things, agreeable things, and mixed anishtam binnam putra pashu annadi. Bhashikar said that the third condition is mishram. Mishram, what do you understand? What shall we take from mishram? Mishram means the mixed fruits. Like, for example, sun. If you have a sun, when you get it, oh, I have my baby in my hands. But as soon as he gets disturbed, he feels sick. You go to the hospital, and that child is to meet operation, surgery. You feel pity, you feel pain. So you are getting the pain from that child. You have lot of pashu annadi, means you have lot of luxurious things in your life, materialistic pleasure. When you have a new car at your home, you feel very much pleased. But when it gets disturbed in the long path, you have to go to the mechanic, you have to go to the service centers, and at that time when you again have to wait for your car to get treatment, to get mechanized properly, then you feel lots of pain. Sometimes you have to be out of your home, no good food, no good place to stay, so that becomes perfect. As the number of machines, as it is increasing in your home, the number of mechanics are also increasing in your home. Means, as the number of electronic substances is increasing, the number of confusions and problems are out to come in your home. That's why whenever you buy electric or electronic or such gadgets, then you have to also to think where I will monitor or where I will repair this thing whenever it gets disturbed. Means you have to think about the pain which is sure to happen after attainment of that. That such things are mishra phala. So such things are